President Trump spoke with a resolute tone, his words echoing with a sense of urgency and conviction. Years from now, he began, pausing for emphasis. Some of them may look back and ask themselves whether they've made the right choice, whether they've made the most of the opportunities they've been given. Together, he continued, we have the same mission. Over the course of your life, Trump reflected, you will find that things are not always fair. You will find that things happen to you that you do not deserve and that are not always warranted. But you have to put your head down and fight, fight, fight. Never, ever, ever give up. He exclaimed, his voice unwavering. Don't give in, don't back down, and never stop doing what you know is right. Nothing worth doing ever, ever, ever came easy. Trump asserted, and the more righteous you fight, the more opposition that you will face. In your hearts, he declared passionately, are inscribed the values of service, sacrifice, and devotion. Now, Trump urged, you must go forth into the world and turn your hopes and dreams into action. America has always been the land of dreams because America is a nation of true believers. He proclaimed when the Pilgrims landed at Plymouth. They prayed when the founders wrote the Declaration of Independence. They invoked our Creator for times, Trump reminded the audience, emphasizing America's deep-rooted faith. It is why our currency proudly declares in God we trust, he stated proudly. And it is why we proudly proclaim that we are one nation under God. The story of America, Trump reflected, is the story of an adventure that began with deep faith, big dreams, and humble beginnings. The next generation of American leaders, he concluded emphatically, never ever give up. There will be times in your life, Trump cautioned, you'll want to quit. Never quit. Never stop fighting for what you believe in and for the people who care about you. Carry yourself with dignity and pride. He urged, demand the best from yourself. The more people tell you it's not possible, that it can't be done, Trump advised, the more you should be absolutely determined to prove them wrong. Treat the word impossible as nothing more than motivation. Be encouraged. Relish the opportunity to be an outsider. Trump suggested, the more that a broken system tells you that you're wrong, the more certain you should be that you must keep pushing ahead. You must keep pushing forward and always have the courage to be yourself. He emphasized, America is better when people put their faith into action, Trump declared fervently. Pray to God and follow his teachings. Today, Trump acknowledged, each of you begins a new chapter as well. When your story goes from here, it will be defined by your vision, your perseverance, and your grit. You will build a future where we have the courage to chase our dreams no matter what the cynics and the doubters have to say. He assured them, you will have the confidence to speak the hopes in your heart and to express the love that stirs your soul. Trump promised, as long as you have pride in your beliefs, courage in your conviction, and faith in God, then, he declared with certainty, you will not fail, as long as America remains true to its values, loyal to its citizens, and devoted to its Creator. Then our best days are yet to come. May God bless the class of 2017. May God bless the United States of America. Trump concluded, his words echoing through the auditorium. And I just wanted to let you know, he added warmly, that God blesses you, and I want to just say you are special in every way. God bless you and God bless America. Thank you very much. He finished, punctuating his speech with his trademark phrase, never give up.